We're recording. We're in action.
Oh yeah.
This is trippy. Watching myself walk, but in front of a camera. Yeah, but it's weird. It's weird because I'm moving my foot and then I see it move, but it's lower. Yeah. What? The back one? Yeah, it's all crooked. Look at the tire. It's crooked. It's crooked. The tire's crooked. Right. Do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Just go like that.
No, what if I kick the uncle and all the fireworks go?
Okay, I'll do it. But you record.
How about if you do it like in the middle of the street?
Okay.
Right there. It's right there, that little tiny thing. Ow! Ow! A piece of it got me. Look what's left. It's only... Oh cool, we should put this on YouTube.
¿Tanto trabajo para eso?
Yes.
Let's go. Holy crap.
Next time put the pot of M80 in it.
Go on.
Okay, should I start recording now?
Yeah.
I don't know how.
Same as you take a picture.